Hello and welcome everyone to today's tips and tricks for Webex. This is Jack McAuslin coming at you live right here from Webex Meetings, Senior Collaboration Engineer from Weidenhammer. Today's session, I'm going to focus on Webex Meetings itself and using the AI Assistant and what can the AI Assistant do for you. So without further ado, let's share my screen. And I'm going to share the actual Webex screen just as I see it during the meeting. And give it a second here. I'm going to make it full screen so you see it better. All right, so you've been in the meeting, or actually maybe you're just joining late. Maybe you want to see what's been going on in that session. You could easily click on the AI Assistant down here at the bottom of the screen to see what's going on. So if you were late, which, oh man, you shouldn't be late, but if you are late, you could hit the Catch Me Up button and it would give you the summary of what's been going on in the session. You could look to see if your name was mentioned during the session, that kind of thing. Other things you can do with the AI Assistant is collect action items. In Webex Meetings, we've already covered previously that you've got closed captioning, translations. That stuff is going on. That's taking the transcript of the session itself, and it's keeping that for you, right? So you don't want to have to read through all that to get to the action items, though. So why don't we let Webex Assistant do it for us? So the Webex AI Assistant can take those action items. So for example, okay, Webex, take an action item to review all the AI Assistant capabilities after this session. So that's one of the action items. And then, further in the session, people are wanting the make sure the transcript is sent out after the call, transcript recording, whatever you're going to send out, they want that. So, okay, Webex, make sure I send out the transcript with the recording after this session. So those are some of the things you can do. And you can see from the AI Assistant right here on the right side, I could look to see what action items have been created so far. And I see my 2 action items. Another feature that's kind of neat is, say you have to step away for a second, and I'll only do this for a second so you see what's going on. But you could put your status to step away from meeting. All right, I'm back. So what I did is, I stepped away. You saw the status change that I was stepped away. All I did was clicked on my triple dots down here, and I was able to click the button to, resume the meeting. But while I was gone, if there was more summarization, the meeting kept going. I wasn't here, stepped away. You can summarize more, and you can say like, hey, the last 15 minutes, and it will grab all of everything that's been going on. So that is the capabilities of the AI Assistant. Let me see if I share my screen. One final thing to show you, and I'm going to share my actual screen this time. In the Webex app itself, let me bring that over here. When you go to your meetings, your meeting recaps, this is where you'll see all your other recordings. So you can easily see, if you recorded sessions previously, you can see the meeting summary, the transcript, the actual recording file. If you did do chatting during that meeting, you could access the Webex space that was used to capture all the chats that were going on. So that is really the full features of the Webex meeting, the AI Assistant, and where you access it. So thanks a lot. Take it easy.